Yo! Kung naligaw ka sa channel ko, malamang sa malamang ay legit kang 90s kid. Hello mga 90s, this is Jay again, ang yung host, isang legit 90s kid. Samahan nyo magbalik tanaw. For today's episode, I will show you one of the free collectible items noon sa Milo. And ito is actually a poster from the animated movie, which is Tarzan. Let me first show you kung anong itsura ng lagyan ng Milo noon. So gusto na kasi ngayon yung Milo nasa parang plastic or foil package, di ba? So noon ang Milo is in a box. Ito. Ayan siya. So meron siyang free inside series 2 nakalagay. Hindi ko alam ng series 2. Pero yan, makikita nyo. Champion of the Jungle. Ayan. Milo. Tonic fruit drink. So, yeah. December 2000. So, I presume maaaring around 1998 siguro to nung nabili. And then sa back. As you can see. Ayan. Ito yung sa side. Ayan. And same lang sila nitong isa pang kahon ng Milo. Back. Ayan. Tingnan ninyo. And then front. Best before. Yun ang kaninang binasa kong message. So, best before 2000. Nabili ko siya sa Genra Mall Supermarket. Hindi ko na masyado makita kung magkano siya. Actually, hindi ako bumili. Yung father ko na nagpabili lang kami. And these are the collectible items na nandoon na nakalagay doon sa package niya na sabing content nito. So ito yung place kung saan nilalagay yung stickers, and these are the stickers. Kinokolek ko actually ito noon, kaya lang naiwan ko sa bahay, tapos yung mga pinsan ko dinikit nila doon sa isa sa mga posters. So yan, ito yung sticker set series 4 nakalagay. Ito. Oh, okay. So meron pala to. So yung series pa lang nakalagay, series 4, and then series 2 is actually siguro part nung poster. So ito yan, series 2. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung sticker nun, si Tarzan. Ayan. 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 And then ito yung isa. Hindi na naikabit kasi na na mga pinsan ko na. So yun, eto yung lugar kung saan siya kinakabit, yung mga stickers. Ayan, naikabit na nila. Ayan, may story siya. Tingnan natin. Tarzan's world is about to change. Humans have arrived in the jungle. Okay, putting his hands on Jane's Tarzan realizes that there are other creatures like him. Okay, when Jane encounters a pack of angry baboons, Tarzan rescues her. Through his strength, agility, and intelligence, Tarzan leads Jane to safety. Okay, with Jane by his side, Tarzan realizes that his home is in the jungle with the family he loves. Okay, so yan. Yan yung kung saan nilalagay yung sticker. May story. And then, let's check the other one. Ito yan. So, dito, sa isang to, ilalagay yung mga sticker nito. Ayan. Dito mo sila i-didikit. So, ayan. Tarzan grows in strength and agility. Tarzan learns the ways of the ape family as he lives within the jungle. He swings like a gorilla through tree tops. He walks like a gorilla on all fours. With grace and power, Tarzan surfs in the jungle landscape. So, ito yung mga yan. Okay. So, yan. So, legit siya. Tarzan, Burroughs, and Disney. So, sa likod nito, dito nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung merong Series 4, Series 2 nakalagay sticker, is, I presume, it's because 4-part ito and nako-collect siya. Ayan, tingnan niyo. Pwede siyang pagdikitin. Ganyan yan. So, ito, part 2, part 4. Ayan, may kita ninyo. Nagkulang ng 2 part. So, ito yung part 2. And then, part 4. Champion of the Jungle stickers featuring Walt Disney's Tarzan in a theater near you. Ayan. Ito yung poster. So, once na makolect mo yung 4 na sticker collections nito or sticker sets, pwede mo silang pagdikit-dikitin to form the giant poster of Tarzan. Tarzan, Champion of the Jungle, collectible stickers ng Milo. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you do, please do subscribe or follow na to help our community. So mga ka-90s, ingat, stay safe, bye!